So now let's talk about virtual DOM. As you can see, virtual DOM to render component. Yeah, we already know that. It just render our component inside browser. That's why we need virtual. But it happens so fast and it makes React application so fast. So how is it happening? In this video, we'll talk about that. So copy of actual DOM. Okay, what's that? So as you can see, we have two DOM. One is actual DOM, another one is virtual DOM. So what React does, it's copy actual DOM into the virtual DOM. It's same replica of actual DOM. So and inside virtual DOM, it finds the changes. So whenever we make any changes in our application and component, what React does, it's copy virtual DOM again and find that component with which we are updating, and it make that same changes inside the actual DOM. And it doesn't change the other thing, just it changes the component we are updating, only that component. And that's what virtual DOM does. So now we will talk about unidirectional data flow. What is that? It's just as simple as it sounds. Data has only one way to be transferred to other parts of the application. It just sends data from parent component to child component. It can't send data to child component to parent component. Whenever we want to send any state, we have to send it from parent to child, and depends on that action, our views will changes. That's what unidirectional data flow is. So I hope you understand it, and that's it for this video, and I will see you soon.